Hey, did it? Yeah, welcome to my vlog, and this is around the house. And what you're looking at is a Stanley portable 1500 psi maximum water sprayer, and it works perfect around the house. Now, I had one about 4 or 5 years ago, and unfortunately, I don't believe it was a Stanley. I think it was a Sears. No, it's longer than that. It's been 10 years. 10, 12, maybe 13 years ago. And it was a Sears 1500. Well, I just noticed we were in Walmart tonight, and they had them on sale for $59. I couldn't pass it up, because if you've got your own, there's no problem washing your own vehicles, spraying underneath them, and doing your decks, which I got too late this season, because I still got to do that. I got to spray the decks down and restain them. But I couldn't pass that up. The only thing you have to take in consideration, maybe these are upgraded since then, but you are spraying your water through the system. I would say make sure you're using soft water and not hard water, because that can build up, and if you don't use it for a year and it's sitting around, the chances are your aluminum parts in there are going to corrode, and then it's going to fail. But I figure I'll be able to get enough use out of this that the $50, the $60 to use it will be well spent, especially during the winter time. Right now, be able to wash the escape off under it, and then her Explorer will be able to do the exact same thing, and save the $10 a freaking drive through the drive-through washing machine there. So anyway, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, especially if you've got one of the Stanleys here.